Hi, I'm Suzanne from Sicard RV. Today we're going to go over some features of our 2020 North Point 377 RLBH. So we'll start with the exterior. This one comes with a nice outdoor kitchen, grill, supersized refrigerator, outdoor speakers, and 2 awnings. So now we're on the driver's side of the unit. Comes with slide toppers, 2 40-pound propane tanks, accessible auto leveling, and also generator prep. So now we're inside. In our living room, we have heat and massage, theater seating, a queen size hide-a-bed, a nice ornament for storage, fireplace, and a pop-up TV. In our kitchen area, we have this beautiful undermount stainless steel kitchen sink with a pull-down faucet, solid surface countertop, separate cooktop from oven. We also have a stainless steel 2-door refrigerator freezer. So now we're in the kids area. We'll have a bed on top that'll hold 300 pounds. Also comes with a double tri-fold sofa, TV for the kids' entertainment, and also a desk area for their laptop. Now we're in the loft area. Comes with a really nice ladder that can be tucked away, a nice extra sleeping quarters for the kids, and storage. Now we're in the master bedroom, king size bed, washer dryer prepped, nice wardrobe. This is where you'll find the 2 folding chairs that belong in the kitchen, and some nice hanging and shelves. You'll also notice on the North Point, they come with these black swing blinds. In our bathroom, you'll have a porcelain toilet, a nice large shower with a seat, a medicine cabinet, along with a beautiful vanity. Thank you for watching the tour on our 2020 North Point 377 RLBH. For more information, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.